Mm-hmm. Okay, welcome back. I want to continue again to practice reading and speaking. Now in the 32, I want to continue to bringing the topic is my first pull request. Can I ask you something, Sinta? Sure. How many times should I check my code before creating a pull request? How many times have you checked it already? 7. Only 7. Don't make fun of me. I'm not. I keep finding tiny mistakes. It's normal. There it is again. Seriously. Every time you need every time you read your code you will notice something new. That's exactly what happened. So what's up in you? I'm afraid of what? What if the reviews find a mistake I missed? They probably will. Again, yeah, that's literally their job. I know. A pull request isn't a final exam. It feels like one. It's Solden. Then what is it? It's the beginning of a discussion, not the end. Definitely not interesting. Tell me about your feature. I added a search function. Nice. User can search by name. Very useful. I also clean up some old code. Did anyone ask you to do that? Not easily. Be careful. Right. Small pull requests are easier to review. Really, much easier. I thought doing more was better. Not always. Why not? Imagine reviewing 500 change lines. That sounds exhausting. Now imagine reviewing 50. Much better. Exactly. So I should keep each pull request focused. That's a good habit. I wish I know that yesterday. Now you do. Can I tell you something embarrassing? Go ahead. I wrote a very long description for my pull request. That's not embarrassing. It was almost an easy. You're laughing a little. Was it too much? Maybe. What should I write instead? Keep it simple. Like what? Was what changed? Okay. Why you change it? Makes sense. Anything reviewers should pay attention to. That's much shorter. Exactly. You know what surprised me? What? When reviewer left a comment saying nice work. That's great. Then they suggest 3 improvement. Also great. Really? Yeah, of course. I thought the compliment spread after the first comment. Good reviewing to but they appreciate uh, what's good. Okay. And they point out what can be improved. That sounds fair. It is. At first, I felt a little disappointed. Why? Because I wanted my code to be perfect. Perfection isn't the goal. And then what is better than yesterday? I like that. Good. After making the change, yeah, the reviewer approved my pull request. Congratulations. I felt surprisingly satisfying. Your first approval is memorable. I think I'll remember it for a long time. Probably not because my code was perfect, right? But because I improved with feedback. Now you're thinking like a software engineer. That's a nice compliment. You earned it. Can I ask one last question? Sure. Do experience as developers still get review comments every single week? Seriously? Yeah, sometimes every single day. That makes me feel better. Good. So feedback never really stop. Neither does learning. I think I'm okay with that. That's a good attitude. One pull request at a time. Yeah, one pull request at a time. One review at a time. Yeah, one review at a time. One improvement at a time. Of course, one improvement at a time. And one comment at a time. Yeah, one comment at a time. Thank you.